+2 kanina, but has gone cold since. Nocum in attack mode. Rosario Bantay. Nocum Papelo. The Aviator gets the basket. May kasama bang foul.
And for a while, I thought that I saw Vergel Meneses play modern-day basketball. This is the kind of moves that Vergel Meneses was known for. A little stutter move, change of direction, improve pace, meaning he just stepped on the gas just to be faster going to the basket, and he was unstoppable in that kind of an action.
Not only does he have a series high 22, this is a conference high 22. Make that 23 points ready para dito kay Adrian.
Michigan in the US.
Well, we're certainly going to expect that one. Samantala, si Vergel Meneses is getting away with that layup.
Ito yung hustle ng Barangay Ginebra.
Oh, he's away!
yes!
Oh, yes, sir! Woo!
Ito na, nagpapakita na si Vergel Meneses.
Ang sarap ng galaw mo, kid. Vergel Meneses showing that why he is the aerial voyager. Watch this head and shoulder fake. Lusot na ako. Salamat sa iyo, Vergel Meneses, giving Ginebra a 10-point lead.